Hello, hello. This is Alex. I'll let everybody know that I'm doing the full Raptor steering wheel swap. I just took the actual steering wheel right off. I did get a little shifter harness from Mr. Boosted Grey Goose. I do have a column shifter. I already pretty much took the actual steering wheel and this cover off just to make it all easy. I took the steering wheel obviously off along with the airbag. So I think I used a 5/16. I actually used a small little flathead. And believe it or not, since I didn't have anything that could be used as to pry it with, I improvised. Used a metal coat hanger to pretty much, I guess, poke the side of the airbag or the steering wheel to be released. I don't know. Anyway, there's plenty of videos to show you, but that helped me. This obviously is old. Not really old, but it's what used to be there. Haha. Beauty. And this is the really reason, or the only reason, why I did it. So, now that we got it going, obviously, we are gonna take a little bit of steps. As far as I was reading, you gotta pretty much push this back. There it is. Released it. Easier said than done with one hand. And then there's this clip, which you're gonna push back. And there it is. Nice. This we're going to be removing in order to get the pins in there. Be careful, do not break that, because that's actually like a little seal lock. So when we get the actual airbag in, it's going to show you which is number 9, which is a purple one, 10, and 11. 9 is, I believe, down, gray is up, and that one is going to be like a neutral or signal turn. I don't know what the hell it is. Anyway, Mr. Grey Goose has some instructions here, and based off what he says on the first slot, if I can get my angle right, that little first slot right there is going to be number 9, 10, and the last one. So let's see what this holds on. Okay, so that, I believe, again, easier said than done, will go there. That should go there. Click. Now it's just a matter of running these wires behind here and then locking it down with this one. So you guys give me just a sec, because it's really hard to do with one hand.